All right, guys. So our friends over at Rolling Square have a few new products coming out, or are out, I guess. And we're going to be looking at two of them, one today, one in the next video. Anyways, Rolling Square kind of comes out with a lot of this tech gear that I say is kind of EDC. So it's that everyday carry things that you and I just kind of throw in our pockets or our bags and kind of have with us all the time. Previously, of course, I've always kind of used their in-charge cables. It's not that I use them all the time, but they're kind of with me all the time. So my keychains have these on them. So that if I ever need any kind of USB uh, power, I have a cable with me, right? So it's one of these cables that allows you to convert basically from all different kinds of ends, depending on what your needs are, right? You just kind of pop those off. It's like a cable with a whole bunch of built-in adapters to it, right? Nice and small. It's magnetic. This goes around your keychain. This kind of just fastens up here. Um, and it's just with you, which is awesome. Now, they also sent me one of these, and I don't know if you can actually buy these at all. And this is their multi-tool. And I was like, I don't even know what this is. So maybe you can buy this on their website. I don't 100% know. This could also, I guess, go on your keychain, right? You have a scan if found, which is kind of nice. I'm guessing what you could do is once you have this, you could just kind of go here. It scans. It goes to this share it program. Oops, I seem to be there. Yeah, activate your multi-tool. So at this point in time, right, if anybody ever scanned that, it would take here. I'm gonna activate my multi-tool. Yep, just give me 2 secs. All right, looks like I have that link to my account now. So if somebody were to find this QR code, they would know, right? Know who to send this to. All right, so that's kind of interesting. Anyway, it's got a little screwdriver on it, right? A couple of little screwdrivers depending out you want. Little, I know, beer old bottle opener, right? Little ruler. Hmm. This is the new AirCard Pro from Rolling Square, right here. So even though I do have some other stuff, and we will be reviewing another one of their other products soon, let's start with this one. So this is again what it's like the AirTag, but see how I have a wallet here, right here? Yes, with an AirTag in it. Great, it is for sure. But I really don't like this wallet. And I have a lot of wallets that I have that I like better, and I would use them, but I have a tendency to lose them. So having an AirTag here was great. This, though, takes kind of away the need to have a wallet that's specifically designed for it. Plus, even though this is, as you can see, it's kind of credit card size right here. Um, the bonus of it is that you can put this anywhere. Like I could put this on my motorcycle, right? I can put this in the car. It's thin, small. I can put it wherever. And what I also like about this is that um, scan to setup. Okay, just don't throw this out right away. Scan to setup. What I also like about it is that this, as you can see here, you can put your digital ID on it. So you can use it actually like a little business card. So if you put it up with somebody and they scan this with their phone, they can actually just get all your contact information. So kind of cool, right? Kind of neat. Anyways, this has a 2200 milliamp battery. It does have wireless charging, so you'll see this is the wireless charging coil kind of right here. So you want to just put this down on top of a wireless charger, and it'll charge it up, which is again really nice. You don't have to open it up and put AA batteries in or anything like that, right? Not that you put AA batteries in it. Maybe like a watch battery, like one of these fine folks. But even that, way too thick. Way too thick. Anyways, let's start this process. Now, there are a few things that you kind of have to do, right? So depending on which platform you are. So first off, we're going to scan this just to see what happens. So it brings us to Rolling Square, I'm guessing. Okay. And it just kind of tells you how to do it. I think I know how to do it. I may be completely wrong. So this there's no real power button on it. No, no, right? Oh, there is an on off button. See the on off? It says right there. Click. Okay, ready? Click. Woo-hoo. We got a sound. That's excellent. Then on the Apple, on here, we're going to go to the Find My feature. And we should be able to, under the items, we should be able to hit plus here and add an other, right? Not an AirTag, but we're adding an other item. Searching. Let's see. It says follow the instructions. Oh, there we go. AirCard Pro. Oh, simple, right? Enter this. I'm going to put this as AirCard Pro. AirCard. Because then I'll know wherever it is that that's what this is. Continue. Set an emoji for it. I'm going to put, you know what? I'm going to put this as a motorcycle. Yes. Yep. It's the only motorcycle motor. All right. That's the motorcycle you're getting. Boom. If this item is linked to your Apple account. Yep. Agree. AirCard, it's with me. Yep. And you actually see there's my little motorcycle guy show up right there. Cool. Now the one thing, and here's the thing. Again, this is not an AirTag, right? So when you have an AirTag, you can actually do things like, because it uses a beacon technology, as far as I know, it allows you to say, oh, it's 3 meters this way, 2 meters this way, and it kind of allows you to figure out. Not so much with this, right? This is going to have different convenience, of course. You can see directions because it sees it on a map, kind of, right? So it, tells you how to get to it. Is it perfect? No, not quite the same as an actual AirTag would be with an Apple. Play sound. That is louder, without question. That is louder, right? So I do like that. The other thing too is you'll see that it does have this digital ID. So the first time, if you scan it, right? I'll see if I can scan it here. Scan. There it is, right? It'll take you into this share it page, right? Link your account. Now I have an account, so I have a couple of their products, so I can link it. So submit this, right? Add to contacts, share. Good, done. And what happens now is that whenever anybody else scans this, I can actually add my contact, right? Just add me to me, right? I say, here, scan it. They scan it. This comes up. They say add it to their contacts. They got all my contact information. It's kind of nice. It actually acts as like a little business card, right? So that's kind of cool. And then there's a traditional, well, not even traditional. There's a wallet, and as you can see, this fits in there just like all your other credit cards, right? So it's in there now. So you can actually have a normal wallet if you want with this. So that's also very cool. All right, guys, that's a first look at the Rolling Square AirCard Pro. Now, I will put links below where you guys can go take a look at it. They'll have some more information, again, how long the battery will last, things like that. Just take 2 minutes and give it a read. But setup on this is really easy. I do like the fact that it does wireless charging. That's kind of nice. You don't have to actually buy batteries for it. And we will be taking a look at hopefully one of their other new Find My type devices soon. All right, guys. Links down below if you're interested. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Later.